Hello. Now, like I got into a meeting abruptly. So now after that, now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting this off the 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 fill. Then from there, I'm going to be dragging. Okay, so I make this a shape. Okay, so I go back and make sure that I'm in a shape. So after that, after that, I'm going to be um right clicking in it to make a selection, then make sure that it is 0, then select it and Control Shift I to inverse it, then come to edit and click that is delete or clear. So I make sure that I've selected the image, okay, not the shape. So after that I press clear. So then I click a Control E to deselect. Then I'm going to just move this to the other side. But maybe I would want to have something where like I have a shape at the back. So I'm going to be first of all copying this, then or even just drag and drop it, then put this eye off, and I just get to select that, get my shape tool, put off the fill, then right click, make selection, okay, Control Shift I, the inverse, then select this and I go here on edit and click my clear. Okay, then I click a Control D. So after clicking this Control D, okay, after clicking this Control D, now I drag this and put it below. Then I put on the eye again and click a Control T to enable me scale the back part. Okay, then after I can click a Shift, then increase it a little like that. So I will have formed something like that, but I don't want this stroke, okay, unless I want it, but I don't want a stroke on that shape. So I click and put it at 0, or I click here and select this. So the shape is the stroke is basically off. So now I can delete the ellipse up, then just get this and this, select them, then I come here. So I come here and select the move tool and move them, cross them over to my shape. Okay, so I click a Control T and do this. So I scale them. That is what? A shift. Okay, then I place it here. So maybe like after placing that there, and I'm going to also be placing some others basically here down. Okay, so I'm going to be coming up with different images, and like I happen to like put them down. Let us get one more example that we can try to play around with as we put it down. So we save, so we go back, we eliminate this, so if we happen to save this as 3, so let us try to be saving it like that. So they are saying my scratch disks are full. Let me try to change to another word, to another hard drive. Maybe this one. Let me save it there. So after saving it there, I click that and say okay. So let me figure it